Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Hdfc home loan account. Hdfc is an Indian financial service company based in Mumbai, India. It is a major housing finance provider in the country. It also has a presence in banking, general insurance, asset management, life insurance, educations, deposits, and much more. If you'd like to get access to your home loan account as a customer, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Go and click open any web browser of your choice. In the search box that appears at the top of the screen, type in HDFC Home Loan Login and press enter. You'll end up in the search result on the next page. Click on this first link that says HDFC Home Loan Customer Login. Once you click on that link, you'll end up in this page over here, which looks like this. As an existing customer, you can quickly log into your home loan account. Mouse over to the existing customer button over here at the top right hand corner and hover over to For Home Loans. In the menu that pops up, click on Customer Login Link. Now you are in the login area of HDFC Home Loans. You can either log in using your loan account number by picking this first option over here, or you can also type in your user ID and your password to log in. Let me click on the loan account number option at the top. If you choose that, you'll need to type in your loan account number in the first text box. Make sure to type in your information correct. After you're done, head over to the date of birth field at the bottom. Select your date of birth that you've registered while signing up for your account. Make sure to type it in correct. And after you're done, click on Submit. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your HDFC Home Loan account right from your desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.